Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, Mrs. Medrano. Nice to see you. Can you answer, Mrs. Medrano, in this moment?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna welcome. We're gonna solve, if you are able in this moment. Okay, if you can answer, we're gonna solve the homework. Okay, together. So help me. Here we have a picture, and here we have someone, a man.
Yeah.
He is running, and here we have some sentences about this man. So can you help me to solve it, since you are the only one in this moment in class? Read, please.
Okay. My name's Jamie.
Good.
I'm wearing a t-shirt and short.
Good.
I'm wearing a sneaker too. It's raining,
Excellent.
but I'm not wearing a raincoat.
Excellent. Very good. Thanks a lot, Mrs. Medrano. Good job. Excellent. Okay. What I did here, excuse me, is it's, you say it's raining, but I'm negative. I'm not wearing The other way around. Oh, there we are. That's the homework. That was the homework. Perfect. So I guess that you did a perfect job. Okay. Remember that in the test, Mrs. Medrano, you will have to choose the correct form. Okay. If it's I'm with I. Okay. If it is, for example, is this okay, Miss Medrano? Let me show you. Is that sentence okay?
No,
Why not? What is incorrect?
it's a plural and the verb
Error. Okay, the mistake is an error because
it's a plural.
it's plural. So what we have to omit? What is not correct?
And
You're right. It's a plural, so something is incorrect there. So we have to omit what letter, what part.
ing.
Ah, in that case, so we have two mistakes, right? Two errors. We have
Yeah.
wearing, because if I want to express something at the moment, I need the verb to be the second verb and, as you said, ing. Okay, that is the first. That is incorrect. And the second part, what is incorrect here, Miss?
It's a plural.
It's plural. So I have to eliminate what?
A.
That's correct. Thank you. Excellent. You ready for the test, Miss? You ready to get 10? Okay, very good. That is part of the test, right? You have to recognize the structure. Okay, very good. Just an idea. Okay, well. And if I'm talking about this guy here in the picture, Mrs. Medrano, tell me if it is okay. If I'm talking about that man, it's okay. Her t-shirt is white. Is good or we have any mistake? Everything is okay here?
No.
No, something is wrong. What? What is wrong?
The verb. The verb.
What is the mistake? What do we have to omit, to eliminate? Hi, Miss Cruz. Welcome. Okay. What, Mrs. Medran? What do you suggest me to eliminate or to change? to replace. What part?
His teacher is white.
Okay, that part. We have to eliminate hair, right,
Her.
Miss? Excellent. So we have to replace it by his, as you
His
said. Yes, because it's a boy in the picture, not a girl. Excellent. You learned everything. Mrs. Medrano, you learned everything. Okay, good. Okay, well, that is an idea, okay, of some parts of the test, of the evaluation that we'll have on Monday. Okay, on Monday, I will do you will do the evaluation. Okay, so that is an idea of what you have to remember, you have to study. Okay, so the correct structure, the verb with ing, the form that is an, is, or are according to the person, the order if it is a question. I need the verb to be in what position? Do I have a question here? Do I have a question in this sentence?
Are you wearing a sneaker? It's correct.
Okay. The correct form is are you. Excellent, Mrs. Medrano. That's correct. Because it's a question, this is not right. This is not correct. This is wrong. Because we don't have a question here. To have a question, as Mrs. Medrano said, let's change. I'm gonna eliminate you because I need are at the beginning and now you. Very good. Okay, so that's something that you can remember during the test. Okay, that you will recognize, you will have to recognize. Okay, Mrs. Medrano is ready, I think. Good for you. I'm happy. Okay, so study, please, for the test, you have to study the possessive adjectives, here, he, there, your, okay, and the structures that we have been using the whole week. Present continuous. And the vocabulary of clothes. I'm gonna send it in the group at the end of the class because that will be your homework for Monday to study for the test. Okay, that will be the homework. And I'm gonna I'm gonna text there in the WhatsApp at the end of the class the topics that you know, right? You know what you have to study because it's what we have been using in class. But anyway, I'm gonna send that information. Okay, well, I just wanted to give you an idea, okay, of what to recognize, how to recognize. Okay, well, so I'm happy that in that case that I have the participation that Mrs. Medrano, she did it perfectly. Okay. So let's continue. Okay, here we have, he's wearing blue jeans and a beige shirt and a black jacket. Who is he? It's Elton John. No, Elton John. It's John Cho. Okay, so we have here 3. That is an example, right? So we have here 3 people. Cristiano Ronaldo, Idris Elba, I don't know, and Scarlett Johansson. So, please, Miss Medrano, or Miss Santos, I don't know if you can answer, Miss Santos. Please, describe, don't say who. Just look at the picture and describe the person. And the rest of the class will text. If you can say, well, text in the chat who is the person that your classmate is describing according to the description. Okay? So, who wants, Miss Santos, can you do the description? Any description, please, of any person? Look, I have 2 more. I mean, 3 more. Do you want Kate Middleton, Zoe Saldana? I mean, don't tell me who. Forget it, forget it. Don't tell me who. Do you want this picture? I mean, this slide or this? Or Mrs. Medrano? Miss Santos doesn't answer. So, Miss Medrano, can you please, do you want this picture or this or the second?
Mm,
This or the previous?
This.
This, okay. Don't say who, just describe. And I hope that Miss Santos can answer or text and Miss Cruz. Go ahead. She is wearing or okay. Or the person. Say the person because here we have a boy. So say that person, don't say she or he. In general, that person is wearing, please.
That person is wearing a blue dress.
Uh-huh, easy.
And
Mhm.
that person is wearing high heels
Uh-huh. High heels. What color, Miss?
and black high
Black.
heels.
Excellent. Okay, Miss Cruz and Miss Santos not around. Who is that person? Kate Middleton, right? The person is Kate Middleton. A piece of cake. Okay, that was the practice. Someone else to do it, but in this case, since you are not, you can speak just Mrs. Medrano, will continue, okay, with other activities. Okay, that's it. And now we have, okay, now we're gonna practice, my dear people, listening, okay? You're gonna watch a video. Let me play it for you. It's about these people, okay? We're gonna watch the video. It says with sound off, but we won't do it with sound off. And what is the man wearing and carrying? Okay? What is the uniform for the girls' school? What are the mother and baby wearing? Look, in this case, are, because what are you wearing? Well, in that case, it's not you, the person. The person are the mother and baby. But it's the same order, you see? And number 4, that man. Okay, let's watch. Well, we're gonna watch just the first seconds. Observe and then give me the answers, please. And you know what? I'm gonna send it to the group so you can observe. Okay? Let me do it that way. Let me share in the group so you can watch the video and check. Okay, let me see. There you have the this picture. So I'm gonna play the video for you and you can check. Here we go. No sound. Okay, no sound. We don't have sound. Just watch.
Hello everyone, I'm Jamal Green, and we're talking to people today about clothes. It's fall here in New England, and it's a cool, sunny day today. What are people wearing? Let's find out. Oh, excuse me. Hello.
Hello there.
We're talking to people about clothes. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a gray striped suit, brown tie, and black shoes.
Is it a summer suit?
No, it's for cool weather. It's good for the fall and spring.
Very nice, very formal.
Yes, I'm working today, so I'm wearing formal clothes.
I see.
Okay, let's talk about these people. Did you listen the sound or not? Excuse me. No sound? With sound or without sound? Well, let me check here. Yeah, it was with sound. Okay, well, it doesn't matter. It's supposed to be without sound. But can you remember what are they wearing? The first man? Can you describe the first man?
Yes, Miss. Hello.
Hi, Mr.
Yeah,
Ramirez. Nice to see you. Welcome.
thank you. Okay, he was wearing a light gray suit with brown tie, I think, and black shoes.
Okay, that's correct. So it was very formal, right? Okay. And what about the man that we have here on screen?
Okay, I, he's wearing a blue shirt, I think, a light blue or purple.
Well, honestly, yeah, it's not clear, right? Maybe it's light purple or maybe it's light gray. I'm not sure. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. What else? But it's a shirt, right?
A
Def-
shirt, yeah.
Definitely is a shirt. We're not sure about the color. Okay. What else?
I don't remember
You don't
the
remember? Okay.
color.
Help, my dear people. Help to Mr. Ramirez. Mrs. Medrano, Miss Santos, Miss Cruz. Let me see if Miss Cruz is brought in the chat. No, no. Okay. With sound is the last. Okay, thanks. Okay, anybody else? Please help. No. Okay, but it was correct, Mr. Ramirez. Okay. Okay. So let's continue watching the video. Okay, now we're gonna listen the video. So that's correct. Brown tie and a black briefcase And a light, it is not here, but Mr. Ramirez said, right? It's a light gray suit. Okay, and that man, what is Jamal, I think is the name, wearing today? Black pants, a green shirt, or a coat? Definitely a green shirt? I don't think so. It's not clear the color, but it definitely is not green. So maybe black pants, maybe in a coat. Okay, but let's see the video and then we're gonna solve, okay, something about this video. Okay, now we're gonna play it completely.
Hello, everyone. I'm Jamal Green, and we're talking to people today about clothes. It's fall here in New England, and it's a cool, sunny day today. What are people wearing? Let's find out. Oh, excuse me. Hello.
What's the weather like today? He said, right? What's the weather like today, my dear people?
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Yes, it's sunny. Okay. Thank you.
Hello there.
We're talking to people about clothes. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a gray striped suit, brown tie, and black shoes.
Is it a summer?
Okay, did you listen? Gray, straight. In that case, he added something, right?
Striped suit.
You see, because of this line, because of these lines that we can see. Let me here, this line. That's why he said straight, okay? Suit. That's an additional characteristic. It's not necessary, right? But because they are not so obvious, but it's something else. Let's continue.
Summer suit.
No, it's for cool weather. It's good for the fall and spring.
Very nice, very formal.
Yes, I'm working today, so I'm wearing formal clothes.
I see. And this briefcase, is this yours?
No, it's not mine.
Oh, I'm so happy. This is my briefcase.
Okay, that is part of the vocabulary, right? That you have to study for the test. Briefcase. And in that case, he said, is that yours? Well, no, it's not mine. Oh, I don't remember if he said, is that your briefcase? And the man answered, no, it's not mine. Mine. Because he didn't mention the object. He didn't say it's my briefcase. He said it's not mine. Okay, we know that he's talking about the briefcase, right? But in that case, he didn't repeat the word, the noun, so it's mine. Is this yours? Okay, but never, is this yours car? Is this yours computer? No, right? Is this mine? No, that is mine computer. Incorrect. Incorrect. And if I said, is this correct? Is that correct?
No, teacher.
No, right? Because thanks, miss. Her house is beautiful. It's incorrect, as Miss Cruz said. Because it's not with S, because we have the owner, that is a girl, and the object. So if in the test you see her house is beautiful, and it says, is correct or incorrect? You will say incorrect. Okay. Or if it says choose the correct, you won't choose this one. You will choose her house, for example, option 2. Because if we use hers, it means that we won't mention the it's hers. In this case, yes, it's correct. It's hers. Because it's at the end and we are not mentioning. Okay, so that's what you have to be clear and recognize in your test of Monday.
Teacher,
Okay? Yes, miss?
and if we say this house is hers, it's okay.
This house, yeah, because the object is first.
Okay.
That is the key. Is the person that is the owner, right? El dueño. Is the person first or the object? If the person is first, we say here, your, my. But if the object is it's hers, the house of her, Or can you repeat the question, the sentence, Miss Cruz?
This house is hers.
That's correct, because the house goes first. Or if we don't mention, because it's similar, miss. Because remember that it is replacing the house. So it's similar. The house is hers. You see that is the same, because in that case, the house is it. Now, can you see that now, Miss Cruz? That is the same?
Yes, teacher. Thank you.
Excellent. So basically, my dear people, you have to remember and observe the position. If the object is in the first place, or if it is not, or if it doesn't appear, okay, we can use this. But if the owner is first and the object in second, is the first column. Okay, remember that we have two groups, right? That I showed you, two groups. So that is the difference. Something similar is what you have to recognize in the test. Okay, now that we have more people, I'm gonna repeat something else that I said. Okay, you have to recognize that the structure is correct. For example, right? You are wearing a shoes. Mrs. Medrano answers perfectly. No, that is not a question. We need, are you wearing? Because in that position is not a question, so it's incorrect. Are you wearing? Something else that is incorrect in this sentence, or everything is okay?
The A.
The letter A.
That's correct, because why?
Because shoes is plural.
Because shoes is plural. So definitely you will say incorrect. Or if it does one option, don't choose that option. Because Each of them has a mistake. Okay, so be careful when you observe. So you have to be clear. That's what I'm gonna try to test. Okay, to evaluate. If you have clear those details, if you have clear that for a question we need the verb to be first, if you have clear that we don't use that combination of a with plural forms, if you have clear that we need ing, because if we have that, it's incorrect too. In that way, if you recognize everything, okay, if we have that picture and I say your shirt, and I'm talking about that those men, is that correct? Your shirt is correct. Your for those two men, is that correct? The possessive. I'm talking about
Yes,
both.
teacher.
Yes, it's correct. Any other? I'm talking about. Look, I'm talking about men number one and men number two together. That is correct if I say your shirt or could be their or could be his. Hmm? A, B, or C.
I don't know if we are talking with there, we need to use your. I I think.
Okay. Mm,
I think it's letter B, Miss.
yes. Okay, could be. If I'm talking with them, it could be your. But I'm
Okay.
talking about them. I said I'm
Okay.
about
About
them.
yes.
Yes. So I go with Miss Cruz, I think she said. Letter B because I'm talking about them, not to them. That is different. But it makes sense. It's your shirt. If I say if I'm talking directly to them.
Yes, yes. I was thinking about that.
Okay. So but now it's clear, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Miss.
Okay. So you see that those details make us to know to be sure that we have the comprehension of the topic. Okay, that you manage the topic or the topic. Okay, so that's part. Okay, part of the items, part of the question that you will see. Similar, okay, similar in the test. So basically, what you have to be sure is about when to use each part. Adjectives, structures, questions. Okay. If I said, are they wearing top? And we have those options. What would be the answer?
Yes, they are.
Yes, they are. Because as we were practicing, we had to be careful about the connection. In the question, I have they. So my answer, my short answer Is, for example, they are. Yes, they are. Or in negative, no, they aren't. Yes, you are. No, because I'm talking about them. No, are you? Okay, could be yes, I am. Could be yes, I am in that case with you. Okay, but that's what we have to be sure. That is just an idea, okay, about what you have to observe and to be careful. Okay? Okay, well, that's it. Let's continue with the video. I don't know if you have any question, my dear people. No questions? Okay, let's continue.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry to interrupt.
No problem.
Thanks. Bye.
This is my briefcase. It's new.
Very nice. I like it.
Thanks.
Well, thank you for talking with us today.
Sure, no problem.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Here's
What are they wearing? The girls. What are they wearing?
They are wearing uniform.
That's correct. They are wearing uniform. Mhm. You see, because I'm asking about they, I have to change, right? What are they? But the order is the same. Verb to be first, are, and then the person, they. Because it's in plural, so Mrs. Cruz answers in plural. They are wearing. Okay, excellent. Let's continue.
Megan and Jasmine. And you're wearing school uniforms, right?
Yes.
What is the uniform like for your school?
My uniform is a tie, a white blouse, navy blue skirt, and white socks.
And yours?
White socks, a gray skirt, a white blouse, and a blue sweater.
But you're not wearing it right now.
That's right, but it's over there on the bench.
Oh.
Okay, it's over there when something is not closed, right? She said, but it's over there.
Oh, okay. And these are your backpacks. Whose backpack is that? Is it yours?
Yes, it is. The blue.
What was the question? Can you repeat, please, that question?
Is it yours?
Oh, that's the answer, mister. No, excuse me. That's the question. But the first one, yeah, you're right. That it was a compliment. Correct. Excuse me. Is it yours? Because he didn't mention. Is it yours? Excellent. Yeah, you're right. But the first, before that, he did the question that is about the same. The other way that we learn. Please.
And these are your backpacks. Whose backpack is that?
Whose backpack is that?
That's correct. We were studying that structure. Whose, always, whose backpack, the object, is that? Whose computer is this? Whose car is that? That I recommended you to think in English. Don't make the translation, just remember the structure. Whose and the object. Okay, and the object. Okay, so let's continue.
Is it yours?
Yes, it is. The blue backpack is mine.
And my backpack is yellow.
Thanks, girls. Hello. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm fine.
And what is your name?
I'm Sheila.
Okay, did you listen? How are you doing today? Similar to how are you? How are you doing? No, what are you doing? Okay? What are you doing? Well, I'm taking English class. I'm texting and the computer. No, not the action. Okay? It's what if we use what are you doing? Is that question. The action about the action. But in this case, it was how are you doing today? Okay? So it's similar to how are you? Let's continue.
Hi, Sheila. And what is her name?
This is Julie.
Hi, Julie. So what are you wearing today?
We're just wearing casual clothes. I have on boots and jeans, a blouse, a light jacket, and some sunglasses.
And a very pretty purple scarf.
Thank you.
And what is Julie wearing?
She's wearing blue pants, a white sweater, a pink hat. It's her favorite hat.
That's a very pretty hat. Well, thank you both. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Okay, it's a lady. Well, not yet, right? But it's a girl. So it's her favorite. What?
Hat.
It's her favorite cat. So hat, because she said, she's talking about the little girl. So we use her. Okay.
We will.
Well, that's all the time we have. I'm Jamal Green, and I'm wearing a light blue shirt, black pants, and... Hey, where's my jacket? Oh, sorry, excuse me. Sorry, that's actually my jacket.
That explains it. Sorry about that.
It's all right, thank you.
Okay. That man is kind of lost, right? At the beginning, he forgot what?
He forgot the suitcase.
Uh-huh. His suit, briefcase. Yes.
Briefcase. Yes, yes.
Okay. He forgot his briefcase. And now he's taking what? The man.
Jamal's jacket.
Uh-huh. Jamal's, that's his name, jacket. Excellent. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop here and I'm just tell me your names. Let me go to the attendance list, please. Tell me your names to do it faster. In a second. Okay, let me see. Okay, I remember Miss Gutierrez, right? Yes? Or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Mrs. Medrano, is it still in class, Miss Medrano?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Mr. Ramirez and Miss Cruz. Let me look for her name. Cruz, Miss Cruz, that's her here. Okay, Miss Cruz. And who else?
Miss Santos.
Okay, thanks. Santos. Okay, anybody else? So let me repeat. Miss Gutierrez, Miss Santos, Miss Cruz, Mrs. Medrano, and Mr. Ramirez. Anybody else? No, all right. Okay, let's continue.
Le entregó al coronel, le entregaron lo otro.
Medrano, turn off your microphone. Okay, let me go back to Zoom to share. Where is it? Okay, so let's go to this part. Let's test your memory and comprehension. Tell me, please. We have this time cross out the wrong items in exercise 2. Write the correct ones. Okay. How about it's done? Okay, well, that is done. So let's go to the next page. Here, to test your memory. The season, can you give me full sentences, please? The season is, don't tell me just spring, fall, please. Who remembers number 1?
The season is fall.
Okay. The season is fall. That's correct. Who remembers number 2?
Megan's backpack is yellow and Jasmine's backpack is blue. I read number 3. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
but it doesn't matter. Let's see if it is true. It's blue, you said, right? Megan's backpack is yellow and Jasmine's backpack is blue. That's correct. That doesn't matter. Number 3. Okay, so just remember the person, the form, this structure, the name of the owner, that is Megan, of what? Of the backpack. So the person apostrophe S, that when we pronounce it, it sounds like a plural, right? But it's not a plural. So Megan's and the object, what backpack? Okay. What color is or let's say Andrea's car? Do you know what color is Andrea's car, Mr. Ramirez?
Andreas, what? Sorry, I don't.
Car.
Scarf.
Car.
Car. Andreas' car is red.
Okay, for example, right? Andrea's car is red. You see? That's the way that we ask about something of someone, just to do a feedback. Now, number 2. Who has the answer for number 2?
The weather is cool and sunny.
Okay. The weather is cool and sunny. That's correct. Number 4. Sheila.
And you are we casual crow.
Are wearing.
Wearing, perdón.
Okay. Let
Wearing.
me put it clearly. Sheila and Julie are wearing casual
Casual clothes.
clothes.
Crow.
Like Okay.
Oh,
Casual clothes.
clothes.
Okay, very
Sorry,
good.
sorry, miss.
No, what? Sorry, what? That's what we are learning, okay? No, don't worry, no problem. Thanks for answering. Okay, can you
Okay.
repeat, please, the whole sentence? Sheila and Julie are wearing casual clothes.
Sheila and Julie are we
Are
are wearing casual
ca-
clothes.
clothes, better.
Casual
Casual.
clothes. Casual.
Okay, and
Okay.
this is wearing. No wea.
Wearing.
Yeah,
Wearing. Okay.
wearing. There you are. Thanks, Miss Gutierrez. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, that's correct. It's casual. Casual clothes. That's the answer. Very good, Miss Gutierrez.
Okay.
Okay, my dear people. So, um, well, we still have 3 minutes, and I wanted to solve. I have here in my notes six. What is okay? This. Which of those do you like? Any? Okay, I don't know if do you like any type of clothes of these pictures or no? None of them. Which do you think it's okay? Honestly, I don't like any, but I have one that I think it's okay. What about you? How about you? In my case, maybe let's say I like hair, purple scarf. I like hair, purple scarf. How about you? Anything that you like in the
I think I like the first one suit.
perfect. The first one. Yeah, yes, that's nice. Mm-hmm. Looks cool, right? It this is why don't you like this, Mister? The second.
I think I don't like the brown color.
Okay, you don't like its color. I mean of the suit.
Okay, yes, it's color.
Okay. Neither do I. I don't like brown. Yeah, it doesn't look good for. Okay. So, anybody else? Do you like anything here? Maybe the baby's hat, right? I don't know.
Yes, teacher.
Do you?
Like her.
Do you
Her-
like?
Yes,
Okay,
I like her hat.
you like her hat? What color, Miss Cruz?
Her pink hat.
Okay, her pink hat. Okay, the baby doesn't look cute, right? It's not good to say because it's a baby, but I don't know. I see a strange face. I don't know. It doesn't, I mean, oh, no, it's a she. Yeah, because it's pink. Okay, well, okay. So that's what we have, right? If we like or we don't like. Okay, so we have just one more point that I had to work in this last part, in the complement, to close this unit. Just one part is missing that I have. Okay, so on Monday, we're gonna do it. And after that, I think we'll do the test, okay, the evaluation. So I don't know if you have any question about the evaluation or anything. No. Okay, so no homework. That will be your homework for Monday. Okay, study for the test. And I hope that all of you listen the idea for you to study, to recognize. What do you have to recognize? So you won't get confused. Okay, you have to observe, to be sure, to watch details. Okay, about structure, about the use of those things. Okay, so if no questions, I just want to tell you to have a good weekend. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy your weekend. See you Monday.
Thank you. Have a nice weekend too.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you.
Bye. See you Monday.
Bye. See you Monday. Hope to
See
see
you
you.
Monday. Have a nice week.
You too, sir. See you Monday, Miss Gutierrez.
Thank you. Bye. Ahora
See
sí
you.
participé.
Yes, Miss. Okay,
Pero es
good.
que siempre estoy en el trabajo, pero estoy como que ahora ya le voy agarrando un poquito más.
Good, great. Yeah,
Pero,
okay. I hope, pero que pueda participar más.
pero
Intente, okay?
thank you y gracias por la paciencia.
No, my pleasure. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.